everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Erika speaking and showing. Whenever someone asks you, how are you? And this person is very genuinely concerned about your well-being, health, happiness. Doesn't it make you feel good? Even you are not feeling well, you kind of answer that, I'm fine, thank you. That's the feelings we have whenever other people is concerning about you, hoping you are happy. That's the word I want to talk about today. Today's word is, how are you? Ogenki Desuka? Ogenki Desuka? It is, how are you? Ogenki Desuka? The other person is genuinely concerning about your well-being, your happiness, your health, other things, good things. They care about you. That feelings are very good, that someone cares about you, me. Someone cares about me. That's what I feel towards you. I wish your happiness. I wish your well-being. I wish your health. I hope that you are in good state of mind. I really feel that. And also, I would love you to learn Japanese with me. Today's today's sentence, how are you? Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? It might difficult for you because you never moved your mouth, cheeks in that way, in that order. But after you practice many times, beginning slowly, many times, you will get used to the movement of your mouth. Let's do it again. Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? You want to do some more? Ogenki desu ka? This phrase comes right after whenever we meet somebody, meet your friend, meet your relatives. After said, Konnichiwa, Ogenki desu ka? Konnichiwa we practiced in several weeks ago on my first video. It's hello. Konnichiwa. Then today's sentence, how are you? Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? That's how are you? Konnichiwa. Ogenki desu ka? Konnichiwa. Ogenki desu ka? That's the greetings. When you go somewhere and meet someone, you give greetings. Konnichiwa. Ogenki desu ka? I genuinely care about your well-being, your health, your happiness, and your contentment of learning Japanese language with me. Not with anybody, with me. You are my student. I am your Japanese language instructor. I won't say I am a teacher. I would say I'm an instructor because I know Japanese language. In this winter time, it's very cold outside. I hope you are not catching cold. You're not sick. You don't get flu. That would be very bad. I hope you're healthy, fine, happy, laughing, good with your life. But I know human life, there's ups and downs. I have ups and downs too. But if you want to be happy when you're sad, remember what my no teeth face. That makes you feel funny, laugh. I don't even speak English well, but I am on my YouTube video. I'm uploading every week. It is very nerve-wracking for me to talk to you in front of a camera because my English is not good. But when I watch other people who are 40 and over, who make their videos and uploading in their channels, that makes me so much encouragement, and they genuinely praying and hoping that you succeed on your YouTube channel. So I'm receiving their encouragement, their inspiration, their kindness. I am very thankful that I'm be able to stay on this YouTube channel. I want to connect with you who would like to learn some Japanese. I would try to teach new words or phrases every week so that you can watch me on this video clip to learn some Japanese. Everyone starts from scratch, from zero knowledge. There was a time I had zero knowledge of English too. Like I was 12 years old. I was still in the elementary school. But from junior high on, they teach students English. They start from ABC. That's how I learned English in school. But you can tell your friends that you are learning Japanese from Erika, from me, that slowly, baby step at a time, that you're learning, and enjoy that learning. That gives you feel good. I feel good when I learn new phrases or new meanings of English language. Please teach me English too. Tell me how I can speak better English. My mouth movement is not very good, I guess, my cheeks, I'm not sure my eyes come into the play, but I am willing to learn. I hope, I'm desperate to learn better English with you. Please be my teacher. In return, I will teach you Japanese. Today's Japanese phrase was Ogenki desu ka? One more time. Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? How are you? Ogenki desu ka? I would like you to be fine. I would love you to be well in this cold winter time. Please send me a message or comment in bottom that what word you would love to learn or what phrases and what song. Oh, I forgot. Today's song is about using the sentence we learned today. Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? 幸せですか? お返事ください。気にしています。夜更かし癖はいけないのです。若さがどんどんなくなるのです。私にとってあなたはとても大事な人ですから、お願いです、お願いです。お元気でいつかまた会いに来てください。This is old time. Well, I would say 1980s Japanese popular song. The title is Ogenki desu ka? Exactly the same phrase that we've learned today. Next week I will come up with something interesting. But if you have requests, please send me a message. I will be so happy to hear from you. So, then thank you very much for watching my video today. I will see you in next video.